In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best dog clippers in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these dog clippers, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Enjoy Pet Professional Clipper. The Enjoy Pet Clipper is a budget, multi-purpose clipper that will let you shave your dog and cat within a very short period of time without spending hundreds of dollars, so let's find out what else does this clipper offers for you. This unit has a relatively compact, handsome-looking body that is finished in two colors such as the black which is present at the bottom and at the upper part of the body and the gold which occupies the middle part, so when you see it as a whole, it does really look good. For your information, this unit comes with 4 guide combs, including a 3, 6, 9 and 12 mm comb, along with stainless steel scissors and comb of which you can take an advantage in order to style your pet's hair exactly as you'd like. At the top of the unit, you can instantly notice the 33-teeth titanium ceramic blade that has received numerous positive critiques from the users on the market, especially regarding its durability and effective cutting capabilities, and you will see by your own once you get this product to your home. In terms of the specs, this device has a built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery, and it is powered by a 15-watt motor that will ensure a consistent and effective performance, so you shouldn't worry about anything. Since I've mentioned the battery, I would like to inform you that the battery life may last around 7 hours, and it takes approximately 3 hours in order to completely charge it. Moreover, this clipper produces up to 9,000 revolutions per minute, which is amazing for a product that comes in this price range, due to the fact that it has enough power to cut long-hair dogs and cats, starting from Golden Retriever, Eskimo, and all the way up to Persian cats. Last but not the least, this clipper produces a noise that ranges from 50 to 60 decibels, which isn't that loud, and this by default means that your dog or cat won't be terrified as you're styling its hair. To conclude, if you're looking for an inexpensive yet powerful multi-purpose clipper, then this is the one for you. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wahl 9766. The Wahl 9766 is among the most purchased, mid-range priced dog clippers on the market, and since its release, users are continuously purchasing it mainly because of its ability to cut through the thickest pet hair, so if you've been looking for something similar, then you've found it. This unit features an ergonomic, 2-gray-toned body that houses an LED charging indicator at the front bottom, a blade adjustment taper level on the side along with a strategically positioned power button that is easy to reach, so you won't have any difficulties while using this clipper. When you open the box, except the clipper, you will also find a grooming kit, so from the very beginning, you will be fully supplied with everything needed that will guarantee you a convenient yet effective user experience. At the top of the unit, there are self-sharpening precision blades that do a really good job in trimming both long and silky furs, so regardless of the breed of your dog, this clipper is simply fantastic. However, some buyers report that after an hour of a continual use, the blades may get a little hot, so I'd advise you make pauses from time to time in order to maintain its cool temperature. Moving on, the Wahl 9766 is powered by a durable, rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can last approximately 2 hours, while on the other side, the charge time won't take more than 60 minutes, which is great if you ask me. I would also like to inform you that most of the buyers have stated that the Wahl 9766 is reasonably quiet, and the noise seems bearable, so you won't be annoyed by the noise, while on the other hand, your pets won't get scared while getting a haircut. But that's not all. You can also cut the hair of your cats as well, which is yet another good proof that says a lot about the unit's versatility and quality, so without a doubt, Wahl has once again made a great job here. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the Wahl 9766 clipper, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will unlikely regret that decision. Next up, at number 3, we have the Oster A5. The Oster A5 is a heavy-duty animal clipper that combines an attractive design with an exceptionally effective performance. That's why let's get quickly into action and find out what makes this device a great option for you. The A5 is available in 2 colors from which you can choose from, such as the black and the blue that we are currently reviewing, but regardless of your choice, both of them share the same functionalities, so the color and the price is what makes them differ from each other a bit. This particular model sports a stylish, lightweight body that is accompanied by a neatly placed power button, a detachable blade, and a 12-feet cord that will let you have enough freedom to maneuver with this clipper. Moreover, the A5 is shipped with a cleaning brush, replacement carbon brushes, a blade oil, and a clipper grease, but you can also get universal guide combs that are sold separately if you want to expand your flexibility. For your information, this model has 2 speeds of which you can choose from, such as the low speed and the high speed with 3000 and 4000 SPM respectively. For instance, the high-speed setting will offer you enough speed for a full-body shave of your pet's coat, but always keep in mind to apply oil on your blades before and during the grooming sessions, because in that way, you can extend the quality of your blades and prevent buildup according to the manufacturer. On the other side, the low speed is obviously quieter when compared with the high setting, and it is ideal for clipping sensitive areas, so you can use each of them according to your preferences. I would also like to add that most of the customers were not only satisfied with the performance, but also with the produced noise which exists, but it is not that loud to cause you frustration. Finally, the A5 can be also used for grooming cats, horses, and even livestock aside of its primary purpose that is oriented towards dogs, so as you can see, you will never feel restricted in terms of use. To conclude, the Oster A5 is worthy of considering, because it offers a great value for its price. Moving on, at number 2, we have the Wahl Bravura. The Wahl Bravura would be an excellent option, if you're looking for a quality, cordless clipper that is suitable for clipping virtually any dog breed regardless of their size. This unit comes in 5 color editions, including the berry, gunmetal, pink, purple and the turquoise, where each of them looks unique in its own way, so you can't go wrong no matter the choice you've made. In addition, the Bravura boasts an attractive and lightweight construction that packs a LED battery life indicator on the bottom, a 5-in-1 blade on the top, and a power button located on the front, exactly where you will place your finger, so without a doubt, I can say that Wahl looks and feels nicely engineered. I would also like to mention that this clipper is shipped with a charger, 6 plastic attachment guide comb, storage case, blade oil, a cleaning brush, and a stand for charging, so you will be fully supplied with literally everything. Moreover, one of the most notable things about this unit is its 5-in-1 blade that will offer you 5 adjustable cut lengths sizes starting from 9, 10, 15, 30 and 40, and when we add the fact that it is made of a high-grade steel, that by default means that the performance will be the same even after years of usage. Another great thing about Bravura is its constant speed control, which will ensure consistent, high-end speeds at up to 5,500 rotations per minute with the intention to maximize your effectiveness in terms of clipping small to medium-sized dogs. Furthermore, this clipper can be used for trimming horses' ears, muzzle, fetlocks and even cattle, pigs and goats, without any problem, which makes this device ideal for any purpose. When it comes to the battery, you can expect to have up to 90 minutes of use, and around 60 minutes of recharge, and to be honest, I'm personally satisfied with the battery life. Overall, the Wahl Bravura deserves your attention, so give it a try and assure yourself of its remarkably powerful performance that can satisfy even the most demanding customers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Andis XL Pro. The Andis XL Pro is one of the best, if not the best clippers on the market, and you've probably seen its name appearing multiple times on the internet as a top recommended option, so let's find what's the reason behind its success. This particular model has a blue and black finished construction, but you will also have an option to select from the other 5 editions if you prefer a different color finish, since all of them are indeed gorgeous. Along the handle, you can instantly notice the soft, anti-slip material that wraps a huge portion of its body, and what's great about it is that you will have a stable and easy grip, which, as you know, is always welcome because you won't have any difficulties in terms of operation. At the top, there are the well-known Ceramisedge blades which, according to the manufacturer, can stay up to 75% cooler than steel, but numerous users have reported that this isn't really far from the truth. Moreover, the XL Pro is armed with a 5-speed rotating motor that is highly suitable for cutting thick coats, so for instance, if you have a Spaniel, Poodle or Terrier, you will notice that the clipper does its job perfectly fine, so, for now, I don't have any remarks. Since we are talking about the motor, I would like to inform you that its rotary motor can output up to 4,500 rotations per minute, while ensuring a higher level of consistency on virtually any pet coat. Moving on, you won't have any issues in cleaning its ceramic blade, due to the fact that it is detachable, while on the other side, it is extremely sharp as well, so you won't notice any significant difference with its performance, even if you've been using it for a couple of years. I would also like to inform you that the blade does a really good job in trimming the backside regions and the belly of your pets, and since it is running quietly, your dogs will never get scared while you're grooming them. To conclude, the Andis XL Pro is a must-have option, especially if you want to invest in a high-end clipper that will never disappoint you with its performance. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these dog clippers, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.